Today is Saturday, December 28th. This is the 1973 Cadillac Fleetwood in-dash climate controller unit. This is video number 2 out of a 3-video set, and the unit has been completely disassembled as shown in the predecessor bench layout. Okay, and this is the fully assembled final embodiment. We can see the new controller board at the bottom. All of the kinematic motion linkages have been lubricated. The multi-port manifold has been exchanged. The potentiometer has been replaced, and there were several burned wires from the old controller board that had to be replaced in the surgical restoration of the harness. All the contacts have been replaced. Okay, so this will be going to my friend Dave. As soon as I get his okay to ship, reply confirmation. We can see that the face has been polished. The back face was re-blackened, and the transparent lens cover was polished out, so there's no scratches. Okay, and then the third and final video will be the functional validation test connected to the air conditioning system, integrated to the air conditioning programmer, which is positioned behind the glove box. Okay, today is December 28th. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1978. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items, including all of the air conditioning components. Today is Saturday, December 28th. Thank you very kindly.